All I wanted was you.
Hey Timothy. Can't you believe how stupid Nova is?
I know, right? I tried to stab him earlier, but he caught me doing it and shot me in the ground. That's why we don't like him.
Got you right there, honey. Uh-oh, it's my dad. Quick, mute yourself.
Betty Lou Davis. What are you exactly doing? It's way past your bedtime.
I was talking to my boyfriend Timothy.
Oh my god. Him again. I told you a million times not to talk to him after 9 PM because he is a troublemaker.
But.
No, in fact you're grounded for another week because of it. Now go to sleep if you would, or it's gonna be even longer. Got me?
Ugh, fine. It's not like I care about him anyway.
Now I got everything done here. Now I can go to bed and not worry about Betty Lou and Timothy. They caused a lot of trouble today.
One hour later.
Great. Even though Nova got shot by me yesterday and almost stabbed by Timothy tonight, he is snoring like a horse. I hear it all the way from my house and it woke me up.
Huh? Must have been a fly or some shit.
At least he stopped for now. He stopped for a moment but he went back to doing it. I'm going to his house right now to stop this madness. Surprise, motherfucker! Ah! If you don't stop snoring right now, I'ma shoot your voice box. Now's the perfect time. Uh-oh, I'm screwed.
Get out. Get the fuck out.
Okay, jeez. Why?
That was so fucking weird there. But at least she's gone now. I'm gonna go back to sleep in peace.
Well, that didn't work. I hate his snoring so much. I thought he was done doing it. I'm going back in there.
Uh-oh. Something tells me this is not gonna be a good night. Thanks for letting me sleep over at your house tonight, Betty.
If my dad finds out you're in here, he'll kick both of us out.
That's right, so we got to get to sleep now and I'll even hide in my sleep.
Good idea.
I hope it doesn't go like where Betty threatened to shoot my voice box. Hopefully tonight will be better.
Ugh, here we go again with this shit. I'm going to be stopping him right now.
Wait, Betty, no.
Wake up, you little bastard.
Huh? What the? I'm going to be sleeping in the couch tonight due to my mother being on vacation, so I hope nothing happens to me tonight, you too.
I don't care about that.
20 minutes later.
And here we go, he is snoring again like he doesn't know. I got to stop him.
Betty, no.
Wake up, Nova.
Jesus Christ, Betty, you scared me shitless.
You were snoring again and I didn't like it.
Can you even control it or no?
Look, I can't control if I snore or not.
Well, that explains it.
We'll try again one more time tonight, and if Betty gets freaked out again, we're leaving early. Now you just go back to sleep in the couch while me and Betty play Mario Kart.
Fine.
He's asleep, Betty. Let's just continue with our session, okay?
Ugh, fine.
A few minutes later.
That's it, I'm out. I'm leaving early because he cannot stop every time he falls asleep. Come on, Timothy, let's go. Now.
Day 4.
And what is all this fuss of me snoring?
You have been doing it almost every goddamn night and I do not like it.
I don't mind when he does it though, but why so much of a big deal, Betty?
Hey, I can't help it whenever I am unconscious in a dream state.
Oh yay, well I placed a camera under your bed while you were sleeping during one of your covered days and I recorded it and you were doing it more than half the time. Here's another.
What the fuck, Betty?
Real funny, Betty boop.
I'm not making this up. That's actually you snoring and I audio recorded you doing it.
Now this is just voice stalking.
How am I voice stalking? I'm only proving my point on him doing it every night.
You're starting to record his snoring every night. That's what. I would never do that shit.
Right. Betty, give me the camera.
No.
Now.
Alright, fine.
Wow, I never seen Nova raise his voice before.
No, those were my recordings. Wait. I got one more and this one I'm keeping.
Nova.
Well then you better not break the other cameras because that is where I do the recordings and it is under your bed.
The hell are you, some kind of stalker?
That's what I tried telling her. Please call her parents about this. This is unacceptable.
Right. I'm calling her parents right now. Ouch.
Not happening.
I guess she'll never learn, does she?
Probably not, but I still love her as a girlfriend no matter what.